Hello student, I'm Veena Dixit. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Share my video with your friends. Here we discuss total 12 shapes which are obtained in different molecules during chemical bonding. 3 videos are there. First video contains linear, trigonal, planar and tetrahedral shape, and will be trigonal pyramidal shape. We'll see. Okay, now in this case you have to make a chart like this. Linear shape, molecular geometry linear, electron geometry is linear, and in this case two bonding electrons are there and bonding pairs 0, bonding electron pair 2, so and BeF2, two more atoms around beryllium. Beryllium is the BeCl2, BeBr2, BeF2. These are the examples. Molecular geometry linear, electron geometry linear, bond angle 180, 180, 180, and lone pair electron absent. Okay. Now we'll go for the second trigonal planar structure shape. Okay. So in this case, trigonal planar, both of them are trigonal planar, perfect match. Why perfect match? Because lone pair of electrons are 0, absent. So how many trigonal planar means the 3 bonds are there between BF. Okay, 3 bonds are there. Bond angle will be 120 degree. Shape will be trigonal planar. Lone pair absent, so perfect match it is. Now example BF3, BCl3, BBr3 and Bi3 means only I change the halogen FCl Bri. Boron will remain same, BF3, BCl3, BBr3 and Bi3. Now we'll go for tetrahedral shape. Tetrahedral shape, perfect geometry, perfect match when all our bonding electrons are taking part. So only bonding electrons are there. 4 bonding electrons, lone pair of electrons absent. So regular tetrahedron structure will be there. Perfect angle 109.5 degree there. 109.5 degree we can say, and bonding pair 4 and lone pair absent 0. Okay, now we'll go for trigonal pyramidal. Here see, now criteria has changed. Total electron pairs 4, out of that 3 bonding pair, 3 BP plus 1 LP. Okay, so 1 LP, that is why in case of ammonia, see here like this geometry will be there. Okay, if you write on F, so it will be NF3 will be there. So 3 bonding pair and 1 lone pair will be there. So geometry, see, geometry, electron pair geometry is tetrahedral, but molecular geometry is trigonal pyramidal, and molecular geometry decides the shape. So trigonal